Yeah, squad's looking good. We trained well this week. Obviously, had a good first part of the week in the west in Nandi, and it's great to be back in Samoa. It's been a long time. I think last time I was here early 2000s when I was playing. Beautiful country, beautiful people. So looking forward to a good match. I think it's all the matches are always tough when we're playing Pacific Brothers. We understand. Very good team. We watched the match against Japan. Very well organised, good pack, good back. So we understand it's going to be a tough challenge. So we're looking forward to it.
Yes, always privilege and honour to be selected as to lead the pack. Thanks to the coach and the staff for letting me. But yeah, we're really looking forward to this week. We know it'll be a tough match, but yeah, we'll find out. Man, it's very good, especially the young boys and the seniors boys gel very well together. And a few of the boys as well just matching this week, so really get along together. Man, the weather's nice, very hot compared to Nandi at the moment. Last week it's been raining, but here's the nice weather as well. I think the shine as well hot. Tomorrow will be a lot hotter, so yeah, we're really prepared for it.